Hello kids, today we are going to learn the sound of FR frog and sound of GR grub. For your vocabulary, let's have this one is frog. Frog. This one is a beautiful Friday. Friday. Of course, we have here the word friend. Friend. And this one is fruit. Fruit. Let's go to the vocabulary of grub. We have here the word green. Green. Next, we also have here the word grass. Grass. This one is great. Great. And it's a delicious grape. Grape. And for your structure, we'll say, what color do you like? I like. Let's begin. This one. What color do you like? I like green. I like green. What color do you like? I like blue. I like blue. What color do you like? I like red. I like red. What color do you like? I like black. I like black. And what color do you like? I like brown. And for your sentence structure, we will read this one. The frog is on the green grass. Again, the frog is on the green grass. Next, my friend has green grapes. My friend has green grapes. And that is the end for today. Bye kids, see you next time.